All right, good evening. Oh, it's bright. 3,500-mile walker here. So out doing a little night hike because had some plans come up today. Whew. So I wasn't able to do anything during the day. So I'm going to put in a few miles tonight, maybe about half of what I put in normally. But we're not going to walk along the roads. We're going to go. There's some foothills near my house. Round trip, I'll probably do maybe 8 or 9 miles. So just a short hike. So I'll take some, I don't know if I'll take pictures or some video, but try to show you along the way. And let you know how the trip goes. So thanks for watching, following, subscribing, loving, liking, whatever, all that stuff. And don't forget to check out my GoFundMe. Just go to GoFundMe and type in a 3,500-mile walker. And hopefully I don't fall off a cliff here. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. So 3,500-mile walker here. So part of my walk tonight, I'm going by this pond in the back between these trails that I know. And it's crazy, you can just hear thousands of frogs. That's freaking crazy how loud they are. All right, here we are up in the foothills near my house. So my Garmin died on me right when I left the house. Forgot to charge it. So I'm tracking my route with my All Trails app on my phone. So got up here to the foothills and hitting our first little climb. So I like this climb. Been out here during the day and filmed. And it's been a while since I've done a night hike out here. But this really gets the heart going. So the start's at gradual. Then there's a section that's steep, and then a section that's steeper, and a section that's even steeper. So this is a good cardiovascular workout. And it's been a while since I've been up here because I've been doing the street walking. So this feels good. Get my heart rate up, get my breathing up. And of course, video doesn't show how steep it is. It's hard to tell. But it's steep as hell. I'm not even on the steep part yet. So, alright. See you at the top. Alright, a 3,500-mile walker here at the top of the hill. And there's Nikko. So we made it all the way up here. I just call it Jake's Landing. It doesn't have any official name. It's open space owned by the Riverside Land Conservancy. And I call it Jake's Landing because somebody put a placard up here to their kid. And his name is Jake. They called it Jake's Landing. So there's a flag up here that with the more memorial stuff, which they did good because they got a spotlight on it, which you're supposed to have at night. So it looks pretty cool. And then there's Murrieta and Temecula out there. And Wildemar and Lake Elsinore out that way. Out towards that little itty bitty moon out there. That's Menifee, Sun City out that way. So this whole walk or hike would probably be about, I don't know, maybe 7.5, 8 miles round trip. But with this hill that I've had to climb up, this hike's easy, like doing a 14 or 15 down the flatlands. So it's good to get out here every now and then, get that heart rate going, get a new perspective, and enjoy the view. So thank you for watching. Make sure you follow, tell all your friends, follow, subscribe, support. Check out my GoFundMe, a 3,500 mile walker. All right, thank you. Have a good night. Keep on moving.